Observing the image characteristics for different object positions. Observing the image characteristics for different object positions. Case 1. Object is very far at infinity. Let us take a candle. This candle is at very far distance. That means it is at a infinity distance. And the rays coming from the candle are parallel rays as shown in figure. When the object is at infinity, we get a parallel beam of rays. And this is concave mirror. According to rule 1, a parallel ray after reflection passes through focal point. Now apply this rule to each parallel ray in figure. Then all reflected rays passes through focal point, and here at focal point the image will be formed. And the characteristics of image: it is real image, an inverted image, highly diminished, almost point size image, and the image formed at a focus. Case 2. When the object beyond C. As shown in figure, when the object is beyond C, the ray R1, a parallel ray after reflection passing through focal point, R2, the ray which is traveling through focal point after reflection become parallel to the axis. Here at this point of intersection, we have to draw a down arrow mark. These down arrow marks will give the image of the object. And characteristics of image: it is a real image, an inverted image, and diminished, small size, and it will be formed between center of curvature and focal point. Object at C. Case 3. Object at C. So here we place the candle at C, center of curvature. R1, this is the ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through focal point. R2, this ray is passing through focal point after reflection become parallel to the principal axis. And here the two reflected rays intersect. We have to draw a down arrow. This down arrow will give the image of the object. And image characteristics: it's a real image, inverted image, and same size. We get same size image at C. Case 4. Object between center of curvature and focal point. This is object. We place the object between center of curvature and focal point as shown figure. This is concave mirror. R1, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, a parallel ray after reflection passes through focal point. A ray R2, a ray which is traveling through focal point after reflection becomes parallel to the axis. At this point they intersect. We have to draw a down arrow. This down arrow will give the image of the object. Image characteristics: real image, inverted image, and it is enlarged image, big size, and it will be formed beyond C.